to my channel, where I'll be showing you delightful treats every other week. Today I'll be recreating the Woolworths Tiramisu Cake. Personally, I've always wanted to make this cake at home and I finally landed. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys. It is simple, and the best thing about it is that you need to only buy one ingredient, which is the mascarpone cheese. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Firstly, we're gonna whip our eggs for about 5 minutes until they become light and fluffy. With a stand mixer or hand mixer, whatever works for you, it's fine. Now we're gonna add our sugar just after 1 minute of whipping the eggs, and whip at high speed for another 4 minutes. So this is how your eggs should look, very light and fluffy and doubled in size. To your flour, you're gonna add your baking powder and your salt and mix it up until it combines well. You're gonna need to add your dry ingredients to the egg mixture and gently mix. For the wet ingredients, I have the oil. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. This is vegetable or canola oil, and then some vanilla essence and boiled water. I'm gonna pour this wet ingredients into the whipped egg whites and the flour and gently mix again. See how beautiful and soft this looks. This is the sponge cake for the tiramisu cake. So make sure you don't over mix again. So I've prepared 2 cake pans, and we're gonna pour the batter into 2 of them. So the other side, I want to put a lot of it because as you saw, it's 3 layers. So I only have 2 pans, so I'm gonna cut 1 in half. We're gonna bake this for about 20 minutes at preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, now you're gonna tap this in the bottom just to knock out all the bubbles before you put this in the oven. Okay, this just got out of the oven. We're gonna put a toothpick in the center. If they come out clear, it means they're fully baked. So as you can see, they're very full baked and they're golden brown. I put this for about 22 minutes. So this is gonna be the sponge cake for the tiramisu. As you saw from the one we buy at the store, it's a sponge cake. We're gonna take them out of their pans to cool down a little bit before we start putting all the cream and everything. I have let this to cool for about 30 minutes to 1 hour because it's a little bit hot today. So now I'm gonna gently transfer it to my cake stand and remove it from the pan. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this in half because it's 3 layers as you saw. Okay, cutting must be very, very gentle. Okay, for the cream, you're gonna need mascarpone, cheese, because tiramisu has to always have mascarpone cheese. This is the way the traditional one is made. And coffee, I'm gonna pour strong coffee at that. I'm gonna pour water into the coffee, and you're gonna need cream and icing sugar. In here we have our cream and icing sugar, and we're gonna whip this. Now I'm gonna pour the mascarpone cheese into the cream. I'm using a whisk, not a stand mixer or hand mixer, because mascarpone cream is very soft and you can really deflate it at any moment. So it's important that you're gentle from this point. So you're just gonna whisk this with a whisk until it becomes creamy. Here's the cream, the mascarpone cream. I put about 2 tablespoons of coffee because the coffee taste is very important. And we're just gonna mix this until it combines very well. Okay, now we're gonna start with the fillings. I'm gonna spread a little bit of coffee onto the sponge cake. This must be cold coffee. I put the second layer on. And I'm gonna now put more cream onto it. Remember, gâteau is just a fancy French word of saying layers of cake with cream in between. So this is the cream.
So it's basically cake.
Okay, now onto the top, the last cream layer. So don't be afraid to be generous, especially at the top. Okay, now we're gonna do that swirl that's on the top of the tiramisu. See? We're gonna repeat this again until it is almost similar. Okay guys, that's my swirl. Now I'm gonna dust the cocoa powder on the sides. Like the way it is on top of the actual tiramisu. Okay, that's it. That's my recreation of the Woolworths Tiramisu cake. It's so delicious and it tastes almost the same. I hope you try it and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and comment and share and subscribe. Until next week. Thank you.